Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video I will be showing you like how to change EC2 instance type. So I have already logged in to my AWS console and I have already in the EC2 dashboard. So let me show you like how we can change the EC2 instance type. So I have one instance running. So for that we need to first stop our EC2 instance for which we want to change the instance type. So I have to click on stop instance. So let it get stopped first. So it's showing here stopping, so it's not yet stopped. So let it change the instance state to stop. So only after that I can change the instance type. So let's wait for few moment. So here it's saying stopped, right? So we have to select the EC2 instance for which we want to change the instance type. Okay, and after that we have to click on action, then we have to click on instance setting, and here we will get option like change instance type. We have to click on it and we have to change the like select any instance we want, correct? So yeah, I will go with any instance according to requirement you can go. So yeah, I will go with anyone, A1 medium. Okay, and we have to click on apply. So I got any either A1 medium is not valid instance for the instance. Okay, so I will change it. A1 is not. So okay, so let me change it to T2 or something. So yeah, so that is the main reason, like your EC2 instance type should support only the specific EC2 instance upgradation. So in that case you have to select only relevant EC2 instance type you want to, if you want to upgrade your EC2 instance. Okay. So here we have T3 small. We can click on it and our EC2 instance will get changed. So yeah, here we can see our EC2 instance type got changed, T3a small. Okay, so that's it for this video. Like you can change your EC2 instance type this way. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and please share with your friends. Keep supporting. I will be uploading more videos on AWS soon. If you have any query, then you can put in comment section. I will be replying on that. So, and if you want me to make any specific kind of video, you can also suggest in comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.